יומא פרק ז' משנה ד'. קידש ידיו ורגליו, he washed his hands and his feet, קידוש שישי, the sixth time. ופשט בגדי זהב, he took off the golden garment, וירד וטבל, he went down into the mikveh, טבילה רביעית, fourth time, עלה ונסתפק, he went up from the mikveh and he dried himself off, הביאו לו בגדי לבן, they brought him the white garments, ולבש, and he wears them. Again, why the white garments? Because he's going to do Avodat Yom Kippur. Every time it's Avodat Yom Kippur, it's white garments. Every time it's regular work, it's the high priest garment. וכבר שנינו שבבגדים אלו היה מבד פחות מעולה מאשר בגדי הלבן שלבש בשחר. But this time, the white garments, you remember we said there's two white garments, one were very expensive and one less expensive. This is the less expensive ones already.
זה לא שעשו.
וקידש ידיו ורגליו, and then he again washes his hands and feet, קידוש שביעי, seventh time, and then נכנס לקודש הקודשים, he goes into the Holy of Holies. What's in the Holy of Holies again? Hey, he finished the job in the Holy of Holies. The machta, the shovel with the coals and the incense, he needs to take out. Yeah? להוציא את הכף ואת המחתה, to take out the jug with the incense, that now it's empty, and the shovel, he needs to take it out. שניח שם, עד שיתקלו כוס מן הקטורת. He left it over there until all the קטורת has been consumed. Then he comes out, קידש ידיו ורגליו, he washes his hands and feet again, one more time, קידוש שמיני, an eighth time, הוא פשט בגדי לבן, he takes off the white garment, וירד וטבל, goes to the mikveh one more time. How many? Many times, 5 times. עלה ונסתפק, he goes up and he dries himself. So this is the fifth time. הביאו לו בגדי זהב, now he's going to go back to do the regular job. So they brought him his own garments. ולבש וקידש ידיו ורגליו, he washes his hands and feet. קידוש תשיעי, that's the 9th time. ונכנס להקטיר קטורת של בין הארבעים. And then he goes to do the regular קטורת, because the קטורת, if you remember, is once in the morning, once in the afternoon. So that now he does the once for the afternoon. של מזבח הזהב שבהיכל, of the golden altar in the היכל. לפי פירוש רש"י, this is according to רש"י, וכן לדעת התוספות שבנו לעיל, also according to the תוספות. היה מקריב תחילה תמיד שבין הארבעים, ואחר כך נכנס להקטיר קטורת. So רש"י says, no, first of all was the תמיד, and then was the incense. But it doesn't matter, it was one right after another. It's either the incense first, and then the תמיד, or then the תמיד, and then the incense. ברם לדעת הרמב"ם, מי שנותן לו כשמה. But the Rambam says, no, it was exactly like this. The incense was first, and then the תמיד. And also, what did he do? להיטיב את הנרות. He also, now it's just before night, so he goes to light the candles. הנולד לקם. וקידש ידיו ורגליו, and now he's going to wash his hands and feet. קידוש עשירי, the 10th time. הוא פשט בגדי הזהב. He takes off the golden garments. הביאו לו בגדי עצמו. Now he brings his own clothing, the one he came in the morning from, ולבש, and he wears the ones from the morning, ויצא מן העזרה והלך לביתו. It's not from the morning, it's from the day before morning, because he slept there at night. Yeah. ויצא מן העזרה והלך לביתו. He went out of the עזרה, and he goes to his house. ומלווים אותו כל העם, and the entire nation is accompanying him, all the way from the temple to his house, עד ביתו, until his house. ויום טוב היה עושה לו אהביו, and he used to make a big celebration to his, all his family, all his friends. משתה ויום טוב היה עושה מצוי יום כיפורים. He used to make a big celebration לאוהביו, to all his, all the nation, all the people who loves him, his family. בשעה שיצא בשלום מן הקודש, because he went out in peace. He could have died if he would have done the job right from the holy. על שיצא בשלום ולא לו פסול בכל מקרה רע. That everything went the right way.
יצא בשלום עושה משתה, לא יצא בשלום עושה משתה.
Exactly. כפי שהזכרנו בביאור משנתנו והמשנה הקודמת, just like we explained before, 3 שיטות הן בסדר העבודה. There are 3 ways to learn the עבודה. We're going to learn all the 3 ways quickly now, okay? והרי סיכומם בקצרת, לדעת רבי עקיבא שהלכה כמותו. We're going to go according to רבי עקיבא, this is the halacha. So according to Rashi, it's like this. טבילה ראשונה בגדי זהב, תמיד של שחר. The first dipping is golden garments. פר העולה ושבעת הכבשים של מוסף היום. So he brings the tamid, the bull, and the 7 sheep. טבילה שנייה, second dipping, this is white garments. This is he's going to do whatever is Yom Kippur work. Yeah? הווידויים, all the וידוי, on his bull, on the goat, ההגרלה, the lottery, הקטרת הקטורת, the incense in the Holy of Holies, the sprinkling of the blood of the bull and the goat, שילוח השעיר לעזאזל, sending the goat to the desert, וקריאת פרשיות היום, and reading the portions from the Torah. In טבילה שלישית, in the third dipping, in בגדי זהב, again golden garments, he brings שעיר חטאת של מוסף היום, the ram, the goat, the sin offering goat of Musaf, Eilo, his ram, ve'elam, the ram from the nation, imurei hapar, all the parts of the bull, v'aseir nisrafim, that he needs to burn them out of the city walls. Tvila revi'it, not him, somebody else. Tvila revi'it, bebigdei lavan, fourth dipping in white garments, hotza'at kaf umachta, takes out the incense from the Holy of Holies. טבילה חמישית בבגדי הזהב, the fifth dipping in with the golden garments, תמיד של בין הערביים, then he brings the sheep of the afternoon, קטורת בין הערביים, according to Rashi, the incense is after the sheep, and then he lights the candles. This is according to Rashi. Let's לשיטת תוספס, according to תוספס, טבילה ראשונה וטבילה שנייה כמו למעלה. So in the first and the second he agrees with Rashi. טבילה שלישית, he says the third dipping, שעיר החטאת של מוסף היום, the goat of the Musaf, Eilo ve'el hayam, his ram and the ram of the nation. Unlike the one before. בטבילה רביעית, the fourth one, כמו למעלה. The fourth one is exactly the same, טבילה חמישית, הקטרת אמורי הפר והשעיר הנשרפים, he waits for the bull for the afternoon, תמיד של בין הערביים, then he goes the תמיד, and then the rest. שיטת
ההימורים.
Yeah, pretty much, that's the main difference. לשיטת הרמב"ם, according to the רמב"ם, טבילה ראשונה, טבילה שנייה, כמו למעלה. The first...
אבל הוא רבי עקיבא, איזה שיטה רבי עקיבא?
So in the Gemara that we said, there's Rabbi Akiva and there's Rabbi Meir, I don't remember... There's...
אבל פה,
No. All of them are arguing what Rabbi Akiva meant.
Oh.
Rabbi Akiva is, we know that Rabbi Akiva is the halacha. Yeah? We know that, but even in Rabbi Akiva, there's a disagreement. What does the Rabbi Akiva mean? Okay? So, לשיטת הרמב"ם, according to the רמב"ם, טבילה ראשונה או טבילה שנייה כמו למעלה, the first and the second exactly the same, טבילה שלישית, שעיר החטאת של מוסף, he brings the ram, but that by us was before fourth, he brings the sin offering or the goat of Musaf, Eilo ve'el hayam, his ram, the ram of the nation, imurei apar, and also the bull goes over there, והשעיר הנשרפים, תמיד שבין הערביים, and then it goes תמיד שבין הערביים, and then you do the mincha already, טבילה רביעית, the fourth is like before, טבילה חמישית, קטורת של בין הערביים הטבת הנרות. And the fifth one is the קטורת and הטבת הנרות, which means according to the Rambam, the tamid, the mincha offering was almost in the middle, instead of in the end, according to the Rambam. Okay, finished.